Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Libya. So let's get started. So here we can see Libya is having the 1000 number of unemployment and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online is through without investing and without having the capital is through freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. Okay. So we can like Fiverr is a marketplace where we can sell anything to the business owners and potential buyers. So what to sell? So you can sell here a social media manager, okay, gig. Then you can be a content writer, editing the contents, doing the thumbnails, and deliver the personal messages, uh, image background removal, and many other things. So it's a very great platform to use, okay, Fiverr. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.